All right, I'm here with Mr. Present yourself.
Yes, the man, after the hour, before the hour, in the hour. Welcome the great family that I'm a part of course. Just to have you recording me, it's a pleasure. Mirlande, you are home. This is the home of HOD, you can show the world.
Sure.
So we're here to just conduct an interview.
Thank you, and I'm really grateful and thankful for the opportunity.
Power FM, c'est aussi sur le net avec www.power1021fm.com.
And of course here.
And then here you can show all that I have.
Oh, sure.
All that I have, all that I received. By the way, one thing for this video is important because I cannot show it myself. This is what I collect. I love those pieces of artwork. I go when I travel. I think I probably received the most in broadcast, more than 25.
Wow.
Of them, collecting from Boston, Massachusetts. And then, the scoop for this, and today I'm receiving the biggest award from President Biden.
Congratulations.
All in the service. I'm
Congratulations.
excited, trying to give you the silver and black, so we're here.
Okay.
Thank you.
And I'm here to support as well on behalf of MRJB Family and Friends Ministries, but also on behalf of MRJB Family that you are part of.
Thank you.